We've learned how to sort data. Next we'll look at grouping our results. In the real world, we'll often need to summarize data for a particular group of results. For example, we might want to see the film data grouped by certification and make calculations on those groups, such as the average duration for each certification. SQL allows us to group with the group by clause. Here it is used in a query where we have grouped by certification. Group by is commonly used with aggregate functions to provide summary statistics, particularly when only grouping a single field, certification, and selecting multiple fields, certification and title. This is because the aggregate function will reduce the non-grouped field to one record only, which will need to correspond to one group. SQL will return an error if we try to select a field that is not in our group by clause. We'll need to correct this by adding an aggregate function around title. We can use group by on multiple fields, similar to order by. The order in which we write the fields affects how the data is grouped. The query here selects and groups certification and language while aggregating the title. The result shows that we have 5 films that have missing values for both certification and language, 2 films that are unrated and in Japanese, 2 films that are rated R and in Norwegian, and so on. We can combine group by with order by to group our results, make a calculation, and then order our results. For example, we can clean up one of our previous queries by sorting the results by the title count in descending order. Here is that query without order by, and this is the same query with ordering added. Order by is always written after group by, and notice that we can refer back to the alias within the query. That is because of the order of execution. It looks like movies rated R are the most common in our database. Group by fits into our order after from and before all other clauses. Our updated queries will begin with from, followed by grouping, selecting the data, and creating the alias, sorting the results, and limiting them to the desired number. In the following exercises, we'll examine our film database to find out about release year, review, and budget patterns.